Hey there, welcome back to another video, and for today, I'm going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify account. By using CJ Dropshipping, you can easily make listings for your Shopify account and move them from the CJ Dropshipping platform and display them on your Shopify web store. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Shopify account dashboard, and then on the search bar in the upper portion, go to Apps, and let's click on App and Sales Channel Settings. Then you want to click on Shopify App Store in order to go to the Shopify App Store to download the CJ Dropshipping app and implement it into your Shopify store. Next, you want to search for CJ Dropshipping and make sure that it's the same application as shown in the video here. Then go ahead and click on Add App in order to integrate this application with your Shopify account. Now go ahead and click on Install App, and that'll lead you directly to the CJ Dropshipping website where they just want to make a store authorization. So if you haven't already, you're going to need a CJ Dropshipping account. As you can see, I've already logged into a CJ account in the past, so I just have to click on Authorize in order to authorize a CJ account with the Shopify account I'm linking it to. Now, once you've created and then logged in and then authorized your CJ account with your Shopify store, congratulations, you've now linked your CJ Dropshipping account to your Shopify web store. Now, in order to properly utilize the CJ Dropshipping application to your Shopify store, let's go ahead and find a sample listing to add to our Shopify website. Here, I'm going to search for men's clothing, and I'm going to pick this cool t-shirt with two tigers on it. As you can see, CJ Dropshipping will display the listing and all the product details as shown here. Feel free to go through all the different information you can find on this page, but in order to add this listing to our Shopify store, scroll down and then look for the button that says Add to Queue. After clicking Add to Queue, you're going to be brought to the listing page where you can enter your Shopify store as shown here. After inputting your Shopify store that you wish to show this listing on, you can see all the different details that you can also change for this specific listing. Now scroll down and you can set your price for all the different products available, but for now, let's just choose recommended listing price in order to set an automatic value for all the products as shown here. Don't forget to input a product type for this listing and also indicate the vendor, which is my store. Then, once you're happy with all the details, click on List It Now to start the listing process. Now, just let the listing complete, and let's go back to our Shopify dashboard to verify that we now have a listing from CJ Dropshipping to be displayed on our Shopify web store. So, on your Shopify dashboard, click on Products on the left-hand side to see a list of all the products available on your Shopify web store. As you can see, we now have the exact listing from CJ Dropshipping shown on our Shopify products list. You can even click on the eyeball-looking icon in order to preview how that listing will look on your Shopify web store as a potential customer. And there you go! Congratulations, you now know how to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store to add listings from the CJ platform. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any other questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them in a comment down below. Like this video if you feel like you've learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. We'll see you all in the next one. Take care for now.